So guys, right now we are in Faisalabad International Airport, Punjab, Pakistan, and we will experience the Fly Dubai flight from Faisalabad to Dubai and connecting flight to Baku, Azerbaijan from Dubai. So for further experience, please stay tuned.
गाइस हम जा रहे हैं अभी जहाज़ की तरफ। बस यहाँ से सीधा दुबई और दुबई से फिर जाना फिर बाकू की दूसरी फ़्लाइट है। चलें अभी इंटर होते हैं, फिर आपसे गपशप लगाते हैं उधर इंशाल्लाह। जाओ गरी बस रोमानी विंटर की गोबर तले की बस अभी जो है ना बस इंटर होने वाले हैं।
So guys, now we are taking off from Faisalabad International Airport to Dubai. So guys, after the long way, we are crossing Qureshi and entering the Arabian Sea. So guys, we got the meal from the staff and flight attendant. So guys, take a look, over 35,000 feet, you can see the Iran. So guys, as you can see, finally we have entered Dubai. Let's take a look of Dubai International Airport and the plane from Faisalabad. So guys, as you can see, we are entering to the connecting flight of Fly Dubai. So guys, now we are taking off from Dubai International Airport to Ali Haidar International Airport, Azerbaijan. As you can see guys, fully bright and full of lights, Baku, Azerbaijan, and this was our meal and connecting flight Fly Dubai. So guys, finally we have landed. So guys, we are returning back, and as you can see, we are over Dubai in Fly Dubai. So guys, finally we have landed again in Dubai International Airport. And finally we have returning back to Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan from Dubai.